Hello everyone. Today I will explain you grade 3rd science chapter number 1st our body. Our body is organized in a very systematic way. How our human body is composed of? Our human body is composed of organ system. Now how organ systems are composed of, or how organ system is arranged? It is composed of organs. Organs are composed of tissues, and tissues are composed of cells. Okay, so cells are the smallest part of our body. They are very small and such that they are not visible by our naked eyes. We need microscope or similar instrument to see them. Okay, so now how this organ system means how this organ system works. Okay, so this organ system means what? See, जैसे आपका ब्रेन होता है, आपकी ब्रेन से एक मैसेज जाता है हार्ट को, एक मैसेज जाता है लेग को, एक मैसेज जाता है आपके हैंड को, माउथ को, कि आपको क्या करना है, आपको कहाँ चलना है, आपको कहाँ उठना है, बैठना है, क्या बोलना है, आपकी बॉडी में क्या वर्क हो रहा है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल कंट्रोल्ड बाय हार्ट, ब्रेन, our digestive system, our nervous system, our skeletal system, and everything. These are all the systems which comes under organ systems. Okay, so now let us see what are the types of organs in our body. First is external organ. Organs that can be seen are called external organs. Organs such as eyes, nose, ears, hands and legs are called external organs. We can see these parts of our body. So these are known as external. Okay, and internal organs means what? They cannot be seen by us. They are inside the body. Okay, so these are called internal organs. Organs such as brain, heart, lung and kidneys are called internal organs. Okay, so now what are the sense organs of humans, or what are the sense organs in our body? There are total 5 sense organs. The first one is eyes, by which we can see anything, or we have sight available to us. Next organ is nose. Nose is also an external organ and a sense organ. By nose we can smell anything, whether it is good or bad, whether it is good smell or bad smell, but you can smell them, you can sense them, so it is a sense organ. The third is tongue or the mouth. Suppose something is sour, something is sweet, something is salty, something is tasty, something is delicious. Okay, so all these are tested by our tongue. So it is also sensed. It means we can sense them. So it is also a sense organ. Next is ear. By ear we can hear a beautiful song also and noise also, or whatever conversation we are having in our family, friends, school and on other places. Okay, so ears help us to hear. It is also a sense organ. And hand and the skin. By hand or by skin we can sense whether it is hot, cold, or whether it is itchy or normal. So we can sense them by touching anything, that whether it is hot or cold, right? You can just whenever you take a bath, you just check whether the water is hot or cold, right? So these are hand is or the skin is also a sense organ, means you are sensing something. Okay, so these are the 5 senses and the 5 sense organs. Fine. Now what are the internal organs of the human body? What do you mean by internal organs? I repeat again, The organs which cannot be seen or which are inside our body are known as internal organs of human body. Okay, so what are the internal organs? Brain, thyroid gland, heart, lungs, stomach, spleen, intestine, liver, kidneys, pancreas, bladder. All these are the internal organs. They are inside our body. They cannot be seen by us. Okay. So these are the parts of human body, the internal parts and the internal organs of the human body. Okay. Now, what is the types of organ system? We know organ system is made up of internal and external organs, and all the organs together makes different types of organ system, right? So first organ system that we are going to study is skeletal system, second is muscular system, third is respiratory system, fourth is circulatory system, fifth one is digestive system, sixth one is nervous system, seventh one is excretory system, and the eighth one is reproductive system. Okay, so these types of organ system we are going to study in this presentation. So the first is skeletal system. Okay, so what is skeletal system? Skeletal system is the major structures or the major organs of the skeletal systems are bones and the joints. Okay, there are total 206 bones in the human body, and this all the 206 bones together makes a skeletal system. Okay, so what are the functions? What are the functions of this skeletal system? It protects organs, it shapes and supports the body, it interacts with skeletal muscles, allows for movement, produces blood cells in the bone marrow, and stores minerals, calciums and phosphorus. Okay, so skeletal system means what? I repeat again, बोन्स और जॉइंट्स से जो मिलकर सिस्टम बनता है, जो ऑर्गन सिस्टम बनता है, इट इज़ नोन एज स्केलेटल सिस्टम. हमारी बॉडी में टोटल 206 हड्डियाँ होती है, जो सारी हड्डियों से मिलकर स्केलेटल सिस्टम बनता है. अभी स्केलेटल सिस्टम के फंक्शंस क्या क्या है, ये क्या काम करता है हमारी बॉडी में? ये ऑर्गन्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, ये हमारी बॉडी को शेप एंड सपोर्ट देता है, और ये हमारी बॉडी में मसल्स के मूवमेंट में इंटरेक्शन करता है, और इट प्रोड्यूसेस ब्लड सेल्स इन द बोन मेरो. ये जो बोन मेरो होता है उसमें ब्लड सेल्स प्रोड्यूस करता है, और कैल्शियम, फास्फोरस और मिनरल्स स्टोर करता है हमारी बॉडी के लिए. सो ऑल दीज आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ द स्केलेटल सिस्टम. Okay, now next is muscular system. Muscular system, what is the main function of muscular system? As its name suggests, it is made up of muscles, right? So its function will be obviously the muscles help us for the movement of the body, right? So इसका function क्या होगा? movement of the body, okay, for the movement. Okay, so muscles are the soft tissues under the skin which covers the bone. All the muscles together form the muscular system. Muscles are attached to the bones. Okay, the muscles and the bone together help us to move different parts of our body. एज वी नो मसल्स आर अंडर द स्किन. मसल्स जो होती है वो हमारे स्किन के नीचे होती है, जो हमारी बोन्स को कवर करके रखती है. ओके, और सारी मसल्स मिलकर कौन सा सिस्टम बनाती है? मस्क्यूलर सिस्टम. ओके, और मसल्स किससे जुड़ी हुई होती है? डायरेक्टली बोन्स से. ओके, मसल्स आर अटैच्ड टू द बोन्स डायरेक्टली. Okay, and the muscles and bones together help us to move different parts of our body. Muscles और bones दोनों मिलकर हमारी बॉडी को जो मूवमेंट करना है, सपोज हमारे हैंड है, हमारा जो पाम है वो हमें मूव करना है, हमारी जो फिंगर्स है हमें मूव करना है. सो मसल्स एंड बोन्स ऑफ आवर पाम एंड द हैंड help us in the movement of our this palm. Okay, muscles and bones of our hand and palm help us in the movement of the this body part. Okay, so it is a muscular system. Okay, so next is respiratory system. Its name suggests respiratory means what, जो आपको इनहेल करना है, मतलब जो आपको आपके सांस से रिलेटेड है. इट मीन्स ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, जो सांस आप ले रहे हो, जो सांस आप छोड़ रहे हो, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. रिसेंटली कोरोना के टाइम में कुछ लोगों का आपने सुना होगा, जो कोरोना से इन्फेक्टेड थे उनका रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम बहुत कुछ डैमेज हो गया था. वाई? Because that corona is directly affecting the lungs. Lungs is a part of organ system and it is a part of respiratory organ system. Okay, so what are the major structures of respiratory system? Lungs, nose, mouth. Okay, lungs, that corona germs enters your body through nose and the mouth. Therefore government asks us to keep the mask, है ना. हमें गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से या सारे जो कोरोना वॉरियर थे उन्होंने हमें प्रेशराइज किया कि हमें मास्क कंपलसरी है ना. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा नोज़ और माउथ ढका रहे. यदि हमारा नोज़ और माउथ ढका रहेगा तो हमारी बॉडी में जर्म्स नहीं जाएंगे, राइट. और जर्म्स नहीं जाएंगे तो हमारा लंग्स ओके रहेगा. बिकॉज कोरोना के टाइम पे कोरोना के जो जर्म्स है वो डायरेक्टली हमारे लंग्स को डैमेज कर रहे थे. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम? इट मूव्स एयर इनटू एंड आउट ऑफ लंग्स, कंट्रोल गैस एक्सचेंज बिटवीन ब्लड एंड द लंग्स. ओके, ये इसका क्या फंक्शन होता है रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम का? ये जो एयर, इट मीन्स व्हाट, ऑक्सीजन जो हम लेते हैं, जो हम इनहेल करते हैं, ये हमारे लंग्स में और पूरी बॉडी में फ्लो कराता है और कंट्रोल्स गैस एक्सचेंज बिटवीन ब्लड एंड लंग्स. हमारी ब्लड को भी तो ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत होती है ना. आपको पता होगा कि जब जो कोरोना से इन्फेक्टेड थे उनको ब्लड थिनर टैबलेट्स दी जा रही थी. वाई? बिकॉज जो कोरोना के जर्म्स थे वो हमारे ब्लड को क्लॉट कर दे रहे थे. ओके, क्लॉट कैसे कर रहे थे? क्योंकि लंग्स के थ्रू वो सारे जर्म्स हमारे ब्लड में जा रहे थे और ब्लड के थ्रू वो पूरी बॉडी को डैमेज कर रहे थे, है ना. इसीलिए क्या हुआ कि जो कोरोना के से जो इन्फेक्टेड थे उनकी बॉडी के दूसरे पार्ट्स भी धीरे धीरे डैमेज होने लगे. इट इज़ द साइड इफ़ेक्ट ऑफ कोरोना एंड द टैबलेट्स ऑफ कोरोना. ओके, सो इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. नाउ, what is job of your circulatory system? What is circulatory system? Circulatory system, its name suggests, to transport oxygen and nutrients around your body and to help to get rid of waste. ऑक्सीजन और न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो हमारी बॉडी के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है जिसकी, वो हमारी बॉडी में पूरे ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं और वेस्ट जो होता है उससे हमें बचाते हैं. ओके, सो इट इज़ द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. सर्कुलेटरी, इट्स नेम इटसेल्फ सजेस्ट टू circulate the oxygen and the nutrients. Okay, so what are the parts of the circulatory system? Arteries, veins, heart and blood. These are the major parts of circulatory system. Arteries and veins are a part of blood, and heart is a organ system. Okay, the heart pumps the blood through the body. Many times you have heard that he got a heart attack, and the heart attack means what? Our body, our heart stops working. Okay, so what is the function of heart here? The heart pumps blood through the body. If our heart stops pumping the blood, or it stops working, so what will happen? Our body will not get blood, because the blood is pumped through heart and it will not work, and the blood will not be supplied to all the parts of the body, and the person may get paralyzed, or may not, maybe that he will not be no more, means he will be dead, he or she will be dead. Okay, so heart is a main part of our body. Now, what is digestive system? We know digestion is the process of breaking food into small molecules so that they can be absorbed and used by the body. डाइजेशन वो प्रोसेस होती है जिसमें हम फूड को स्मॉल स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स में ब्रेक करते हैं, एंड व्हाट, वो क्या करती है, वो हमारी बॉडी में एब्जॉर्ब होते हैं सारे स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स, और क्या करते हैं, इट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू ब्लड एंड अदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड विल बी एब्जॉर्ब बाय द बॉडी. Now you will say, ma'am, what is nutrients, right? Because this term is very new to you, but you must heard it many times. Your mama is saying, beta, eat healthy, eat so that you will get nutrients, right? आपकी मम्मा आपको बोलती है ना, बेटा healthy food खाओ, eat chapati, milk, fruits, vegetables, so that you will get nutrients for your body. क्योंकि आपको न्यूट्रिएंट्स चाहिए आपकी बॉडी के लिए, आपको न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलेंगे ना उससे, है ना. तो न्यूट्रिएंट्स क्या होते हैं? न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर द फूड that provide energy and helps in the development and the growth of our body and to repair the cells. हमारी बॉडी में जो सेल्स होते हैं, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, सेल्स आर द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल्स. वो जो छोटे 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 पार्टिकल्स होते हैं ना, उनकी ग्रोथ के लिए, उनकी डेवलपमेंट के लिए, या यदि कुछ सेल्स डैमेज है, आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, आपकी बॉडी के कुछ सेल्स डैमेज हो गए, तो उनको रिपेयर करने के लिए आप, जब आपकी तबीयत ख़राब हो जाती है तो आपके डॉक्टर कहते होगे ना, ईट हेल्दी फूड ओनली, सो दैट वाई ही सेज लाइक दैट, बिकॉज आपके बॉडी को न्यूट्रिएंट्स की ज़रूरत है. क्यों ज़रूरत है? क्योंकि उन्हें वो सेल्स जो डैमेज हो गए हैं उन्हें रिपेयर करना है. रिपेयर करके क्या करेंगे? आपकी बॉडी का डेवलपमेंट करेंगे, आपकी बॉडी का डेवलपमेंट होगा, आपको ग्रोथ होगी, आपकी ग्रोथ होगी, है ना. इसलिए न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर बॉडी. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर द ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द digestive system? Stomach, mouth, small intestine and large intestine are the main organs of our digestive system. Okay, आपकी मम्मा आपसे बहुत बार बोलती होगी, ईट हेल्दी फूड अदरवाइज योर स्टमक विल बी डिस्टर्ब. आप हेल्दी फूड खाओ, नहीं तो आपका स्टमक डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. डोंट ईट जंक फूड, है ना. आपकी मम्मा बोलती ना, गर्ल्स चॉकलेट्स, आइसक्रीम्स, है ना. क्यों? क्योंकि ये आपके स्टमक को डिस्टर्ब करेगी, और स्टमक डिस्टर्ब होगा तो क्या होगा? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम डिस्टर्ब होगा, है ना. इसीलिए यू शुड हैव हेल्दी फूड. नाउ व्हाट इज नर्वस सिस्टम? ओके, नर्वस सिस्टम मीन्स it is actually very important during your student life, है ना. Why? Because the main structure or the main organs of the nervous system are brain, spinal cord, nerves and the sense organs, है ना. Because during your student life means almost for the entire life you should have a healthy brain. but for especially for the student life, and to perform, and because so much load is there on your brain. So the brain is the main part of this nervous system. What are the functions of it? It regulates behavior, it maintains homeostasis, it regulates other organ system, controls sensory and motor functions. आपने देखा होगा कई बार कुछ लोगों के पास नॉर्मल सेंस, कॉमन सेंस नहीं होता है ना। कुछ बच्चे इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते हैं। वाई? बिकॉज देयर नर्वस सिस्टम इज़ वीक, देयर ब्रेन इज़ वीक, देयर सेंस ऑर्गन्स आर वीक। ओके, सो वो सबका जो बिहेवियर रेगुलेट करना है, जो वो सारे ऑर्गन सिस्टम को कैसे वर्क करना है, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू द मैसेज गोज फ्रॉम योर ब्रेन to different parts of the body, that you should walk, how you should eat, how you should walk, how to hold, how to read, and for everything the message starts from the brain, right? So to regulate the other organ system and control sensory and motor functions, how to walk, how to sleep, how to hold anything, how to take work from leg, how to take work from head, how to take work from mouth. सो ये सब का जो कंट्रोल होता है, सेंस ऑर्गन्स का कंट्रोल, और मोटर स्किल्स मीन्स योर हैंड एंड योर लेग एक्टिविटी, that are motor functions. It is controlled by the nervous system. Okay. Now, what is excretory system? The main function of excretory system is it removes the cellular waste from blood and the body. And the major structures involved in the excretory system are kidneys, urinary bladder, urethra, skin, and the lungs. We know whatever fluid we drink, whatever liquid we intake, or the food, the solid food or the semi-solid food we intake, and whatever air we intake, it may be oxygen, it may be carbon dioxide, it may be a polluted air, right? So lungs help us to excrete the carbon dioxide and the polluted air from our body. Similarly, in the form of carbon dioxide, what we exhale? We exhale carbon dioxide. Okay. Kidneys help us in the removal of liquid and the solid waste from our body. Now, what is reproductive system? Reproductive system helps to give birth to the younger ones. Okay. There are different elements or different cells which are involved in the reproductive system, that are cells, eggs, sperms. These are all the part of a reproductive system. Okay. Now, next is we will do the exercise, and what are the new words which we have learned in this organ system, the complete chapter. We are done here with the explanation of the chapter. Now I will give you the exercise, means what you have to write in your classwork copy. Okay. So these are the new words which you have studied in this chapter. These are new, that is body. First is body, B-O-D-Y, body. Second is organs, O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. Third is sense, S-E-N-S-E, sense. Fourth is skeletal, S-K-E-L-E-T-A-L, skeletal. Fifth is muscular, M-U-S-C-U-L-A-R, muscular. Sixth is respiratory, R-E-S-P-I-R-A-T-O-R-Y, respiratory. Seventh is circulatory, C-I-R-C-U-L-A-T-O-R-Y, circulatory. Next is digestion, digestion, digestion. Next is ninth one, it is nervous, nervous, nervous. Next is 10th one, excretory, excretory, excretory. Next is 11th one, that is reproductive, reproductive, reproductive. Next is 12th one, spinal cord, spinal cord, spinal cord. 13th is brain, brain, brain. Next is 14th, it is heart, heart, heart. 15th is lungs, lungs, lungs. 16th is kidney, kidney, kidney. Last is liver, liver, liver. Okay, now you can pause the video and can note down the new words or write the new words in your classwork copy. Okay, now the next is on the next page write word meanings. The headline should be word meanings. And what are the new word meanings which you have studied in this chapter? First is windpipe. It is a tube that connects the throat and lungs through which air flows. Next is blood vessel, a fine tube in our body through which blood flows. Third word meaning is nutrients, food or substances necessary for the growth of our body. Next is saliva, a watery liquid produced in the mouth that helps in the digestion. And the last is digestive juices, liquids produced by the stomach, pancreas, liver, and small intestine. You can pause the video and write the word meanings. Okay. Next is question number A. You have to fill in the blanks. The first is dash organs are connected to the brain through the nerves. Now we have to use the logic here. Okay. I already told you in the nervous system that brain are connected to the nerves. Therefore, it is known as nervous system, right? So, what are the organs which are connected through the brain? The hand, leg, eyes, ear, nose, throat, टंग, राइट. ये सारे जो ऑर्गन्स है ये ब्रेन से कनेक्टेड है ना. तो ये कौन से ऑर्गन्स थे हमारे? सेंस ऑर्गन्स थे, है ना. सो डैश में मतलब फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में क्या आएगा? सेंस ऑर्गन्स आर कनेक्टेड टू द ब्रेन थ्रू द नर्व्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज डैश मेक्स द फूड सॉफ्ट. व्हेनेवर यू ईट फूड, जब भी आप कुछ खाना खाते हैं ना, तो क्या होता है आपके मुंह में जो ऑलरेडी सलाइवा रहता है और आपके जो टीथ होते हैं वो जो फूड होता है उसे चीव करने में हेल्प करता है ना. तो व्हाट इज दैट? इट इज सलाइवा एक्चुअली. और उससे क्या होता है आपका जो फूड होता है वो सॉफ्ट हो जाता है. सॉफ्ट होने के कारण क्या होता है वो आपकी फूड पाइप से आपके स्टमक में चला जाता है और आपकी डाइजेशन को इम्प्रूव करता है ना. सो सलाइवा मेक्स द फूड सॉफ्ट. Now, third one, the dash system gives proper shape to the body. ऐसा कौन सा सिस्टम है जिसमें बोन्स होती है और मसल्स होती है ना. जो बोन्स होती है वो हमारी बॉडी को शेप देने में हेल्प करता है कि नहीं. मसल्स तो इतनी हेल्प नहीं करती जितनी बोन्स हेल्प करती है ना. सो बोन्स हेल्प्स अस टू गिव शेप टू द बॉडी. बोन्स कौन से ऑर्गन सिस्टम में होती है? स्केलेटल ऑर्गन सिस्टम में होती है ना. skeletal में होती है ना. So what we will write, the skeletal system gives proper shape to the body. Now the next is, the dash pumps blood to different parts of the body. Tell me what will come here. I told you it, I made a special slide for this. The heart pumps blood through to different parts of the body. Okay. Now the dash removes waste in the form of urine. The kidneys help us to remove the. Yes. Now the question number first. Answer these questions. What is the question number first? What is skeletal system made up of? The skeletal system, the answer is, the skeletal system is made up of bones. Full stop. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. Now, question number 2. What is digestion? The answer is the process of breaking down food into a simpler form so that it can be used by our body to produce energy is called digestion. Now, the next question is, third one, what are the functions of skeletal system? The answer is, write down the function of skeletal systems are as follows. First is, it gives proper shape and support to our body. Next is second one, it protects internal organs such as heart, the brain and the lungs. Now, question number 4. Name the organs of the body which help to remove waste. The answer is, the excretory system removes waste from the body. The kidneys, lungs and the skin form the excretory system. Now, question number C. You have to name the parts of our body that rhyme with these words. The first is nest. We know which body part is very nearby rhyming to this word nest, chest. Second is cart, heart. Third is C, eyes. Fourth is check, neck. Sydney, kidney. Okay. Now, these are the extra questions which may be asked in the exam. Okay. So, first question is, name the organs which form the digestive system. The answer is the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus are the organs which form the digestive system. Question number 2 in the extra question, name the organs which form the nervous system. The brain and the spinal cord forms the nervous system. Okay. Third is, you have to define the following. The first is external organ and next is internal organs. Okay. First is external organs. Organs that can be seen are called the sense organs or the external organs. And second is internal organs. Organs that are inside our body and therefore cannot be seen are called internal organs. Okay. Now, I will give you an assignment. This assignment or this it is an activity, you can take it as, and this question may be there in the exam. Okay. So how you have to write or complete this assignment and the activity? You have to draw the diagram of the digestive system. There may be a assignment of or activity of draw the sense organs of our body. You have to draw all the 5 sense organs of our body. You have to draw any organ of excretory system of our body. This question I have given because kidneys are the excretory system organ, which is very easy and very interesting to draw, and we have already done this activity in the class also. Okay. And the last is, draw any organ system of our body. You have to draw any organ, maybe brain, maybe sense organ, maybe internal, external, excretory, digestive, or any organ. Whatever you are interested in or whatever you can draw, you have to draw that organ system of our body. Okay, so here the explanation and the writing notes of our this our body chapter is completed. Okay, thank you so much everyone for listening me and paying attention. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.